Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Tara and this is my art channel, and I am going to do a couple of small pours here today. This first one, first of all, I'm prepping my canvas. I usually will put down some tube paint to make the number one, it makes the edges not so transparent, especially because I'm using a Prussian blue. It's a transparent on those edges, and I don't really want the white canvas to show through. And then also I do it because when the paint is tackier, using these very fluid paints, it makes the design stick to the edges better. So here I'm going to be doing kind of some mixing here. This is just Prussian blue mixed with my Floetrol and GAC 800 and thinned to a Dutch pour consistency on the ends. But the other colors that I'm using are mixed with the Bare Satin Enamel. It's my satin enamel mix. If you look at my last video on how I mix my paints for the colored pearl pours, that's the paints that I'm using. Now, I wasn't specifically looking to make pearls on this pour. I just had some paint I had left over of some of the colors I had mixed with the pearl mix, and I just wanted to see kind of what the effects would be if I didn't pour a puddle over top of them. So this is a white pearl mix that I made a while back. I do have a video also on how I mix my paints for the white pearls. I will link it above and in the description. But I had some left over that I really wanted to use because it needed to be used up. So I actually really like how this one turned out, and so I tried to do it on a second canvas. These are both 12 by 18 canvases, by the way. They're the deep edge ones, the gallery wrapped. So I thought that I would try and kind of make like a compliment for that one, and it bombed. So stick around because I do another canvas and I bomb it trying to make one like this one, but I think it turned out really beautiful in the end. I ended up doing a blowout. So yeah, stick around for that little bonus pour, and I think that's pretty much it. I really do appreciate you all so much. If you're new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you are notified each time I put out a new painting. And yeah, for the rest of you, I appreciate your loyal support and watching, and this has been such a wild journey, so I appreciate everything so much. Just so you all do know, I have a brand new Patreon account. So go check that out. I will link it in the description box. And as usual, head on over to my dad's art channel, DJ Fluid Arts. He has done a lot of techniques with masking tape, but he's also trying out some new stuff lately. So I think you'll really enjoy his art. And that's it, guys. I appreciate you again being here and watching. And I would love to hear what you guys think of these paintings. And yeah, I will see you on the next one. You all have a great day. Bye, guys.
is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh.